Nova the Nightingale takes her friends, Orion the Owl and Stella the Starfish, on a nighttime adventure in the starry sky. They start by counting twinkling stars, singing as they soar through the night. As they glide among the constellations, they identify colors like the bright silver moon and fiery red Mars. Galaxy the cat introduces a playful task of spotting shooting stars and counting them aloud. With a cheerful melody, children learn numbers and celestial colors, all set against the mesmerizing backdrop of the night sky. It's an enchanting cosmic journey where learning feels like a delightful nighttime serenade.